What is it now? What do you want? What did you hear? Did you hear some music? What? Was it not good for you? What? Well, it was a good song. What, you don't want to hear it? Are you sure? Oh, what song do you want to hear? What? Well, what? Are you sure? Come on. What do you want to hear, Miss May? Oh. Okay, you want something else? Okay, I better put away my dishes and then see what you would like. What do you want? Huh? What? Oh. What? What you want? What you want? What? You weren't caring for that song? Where are you? I didn't see you. I just put on a song for a minute. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, there you are. What's going on now? Oh, okay. What you want to say to me? Do you want what? You want to talk to me? What? You got something to say? What is it? Where you going? Where you going now? Where you going? Okay. Yeah. What were you doing? You didn't like that song I put on? What? Okay. Yeah. Okay. How about I put away my stuff and then I come and see what you would like, huh? I come. You want to sit with me? You want to sit with me? Yeah. Okay. Just a minute and I'll put my stuff away. Is that okay? Where you going? Where are you now? You're behind me? There you are. Hi. Okay. Okay. Oh. Big stretch. Okay. Well, Miss May, how about, you know what I'll do with you in a bit? I'll play with your toy with you, your new toy. Should we do that? Should we do that after? I'll just put my stuff away. Okay? If I put my stuff away, and then I can play with you with your new toy. Okay? Should we do that? What do you think? What do you think? Hey? What do you think? Want you sit down. Sit down. Oh. Okay, I know. You want some attention. All right. I better put my stuff away. I was just listening to a song while I was doing it. You didn't want that song on? Or you just thought, well, you can't listen to a song. You gotta come play with me. Is that what it is? What is it? Am I hitting the nail on the head? Am I understanding you correctly? You're so cuddly. You're so cozy. Yeah. Okay. How about, can you give me a few minutes? Yeah? Can you give me a few minutes? Oh, come on, just a few minutes. It looks like you want a comb. Okay, yes. Okay, I'll give you a comb after. Okay? Alrighty. Alright. Oh, what? What is it now? You my little quack quack? Say quack. What you doing? What are you doing? You can do that little rolling thing. You can do that rolling thing on the floor. What are you doing? What is it? No. La 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 la. What are you doing? Okay, Miss May. Can we look at the front of you? Can you turn around? Can you turn around over here? Now you want to sit. What? What you doing? Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. I'll put my stuff away and we shall meet soon and try your new toy, okay? Is that all right? Is that okay with you? Okay. Well, oh, hello. Hello. You figure I'm here and you're just gonna plop on the floor. No. Good a time as any. Good a time as any, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.